The Timothy Ray Jones murder trial. Today, the prosecution rested their case. Then the defense started calling witnesses. News 19's Jacob Reynolds was in the courtroom and has the details.
The defense team called Lexington County Sheriff Sergeant Anthony Creech as their second witness on Wednesday afternoon. Creech was one of the two investigators involved in the taped Jones confession in his second interview with law enforcement after his arrest. The state had already played the recording of Jones's confession in that second interview as a part of their case last week. On Wednesday, the defense team asked Creech to play a third interview he recorded with Jones. The recording was made when Creech and Jones were driving back to Mississippi after Jones led investigators to the children's bodies in Alabama.
I was merciless when I put them in there and threw them around, so, I mean, this was after the fact.
Yeah.
I put them into the vehicle mercilessly and threw stuff in there to try to shelter the smell. So I mean, that may be something else you find. I don't know. Like I said, it wasn't exactly my thing to go scope them out when I was doing that. I was blind eyed to do that.
In the recording, Jones was crying off and on.
For the record, I'm so sorry about what I've done. I hope we get to see my kids again one day. Lord God, forgive me. Tim, is there anything we haven't covered with you that we need to know at this point that this investigation is going to show about what happened to those kids?
I can't think of anything right now.
Later, Creech said he talked to Jones again on September 11th, 2014, and told him Natan's autopsy did not give a specific cause of death, but was ruled a homicide. WLTX has edited what Creech said their exchange was due to language.
And then he shrugged his shoulders and told you, I think you have a quote, "See, I told you so. I don't know how he died," end quote.
Correct.
And he was emotional while he was telling you that, wasn't he?
He was.
And you tried to reassure him that he did the right thing, didn't you?
I did, and he had a pretty visceral response to this and said, quote, "What do you mean I did the right thing? I killed my kids," end quote.
Creech was the defense team's second witness after the state rested their case early Wednesday morning. All told, the state called more than 30 witnesses and had the jury listen to roughly 5 days of testimony and why they believe Jones was the one who murdered his 5 children. Reporting in Lexington County, Jacob Reynolds, News 19, WLTX.
Well, Jones has confessed to killing the children, but he's pleading not guilty by reason of insanity. It's not clear how long the defense team plans to call witnesses as the trial continues.